How's it going, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Sick Eric TV. Today we are talking about, again, yes, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and maybe the regular S22 series, and the fact that a lot of people still have not gotten their device yet, which is absolutely insane. I'm getting a lot of comments on my previous videos that I did of shipping updates on this, that they still have not gotten their device yet. So that is absolutely crazy. Paulo Cesar Castro Lopez said he made their purchase on the 22nd and estimated shipping date is March 25th. So hopefully that comes soon. That is just around the corner, and that their Galaxy Buds have changed from March 25th to April 19th. Hopefully that's just the Galaxy Buds, since a lot of people probably got those for free. Another person, No Love Bullet, got S22 Ultra 256 in green. Estimated shipping date is April 4th. That is crazy. And then Rollo Wells said that now the trade-in value has changed, which is true. They're not offering the whole $250 credit or the $200 credit, I think, anymore, but they are giving you more value for your trade-in. I traded in the S21 Plus for the S22 Ultra, and Samsung gave me $525 for that. Now I probably could have gotten up to $800 for that trade-in, which kind of sucks, but we did get all that free stuff when we pre-ordered, so it is a trade-off, I guess. But if you were waiting and you want to still order this, you could possibly get more for your trade-in. But then I went to another person's comments, and they're trading in an iPhone 13. This is F Musa in Switzerland. So it's not here in the States. They're trading in an iPhone 13 Pro Max, okay? And Samsung is giving them $500 for this. And this is a 520 gigabyte variant of the Pro Max. That is just insane. Samsung should be giving them at least $1,000 for that. That is a new phone, and it's definitely not worth $500. So it is crazy. Alpha variant said 1 terabyte S22 Ultra will be delivered on April 1st. That is crazy as well. So a lot of people have been getting delayed all the way back into April 18th, April 19th. And then some people are getting it as early as March 25th. So if you were to go onto Samsung's website and try to order the S22 Ultra unlocked, the 128 gigabyte, 8 gigabyte variant is available. Get it by March 29th. So nobody wants to order that one. That's why it's the most widely available. Who the hell wants 120 gigabytes of non-expandable memory on a phone like this? It just doesn't make sense. All the exclusive colors, graphite, sky blue, red, ships within 4 to 5 weeks. If you were to go to the 256 variant, the burgundy is sold out. Phantom black, white, and green get by April. For the Phantom black and the white, you get by April 19th. And then the green, you get by April 8th. Again, exclusive colors, ships in 4 to 5 weeks. 512 gigabyte. The black variant is April 19th, white April 8th, burgundy April 26th, and then green April 1st. Same with the exclusive colors, and of course the 1 terabyte variant is sold out on Samsung. So hopefully you guys who wanted the higher storage were able to get yours ordered. It is now gone. I called T-Mobile the other day trying to see about ordering the regular S22, and they told me that everything is back ordered. The Plus, the regular version, and the Ultra in all the colors are back ordered on T-Mobile, so that's kind of a bummer. I wanted to get the regular variant to compare up against the Ultra. So that is insane that a lot of people still have not gotten theirs yet. I got mine back in February, I believe it's the 22nd, which is a lot of people got theirs on the 21st and the 22nd. And with Samsung, they're usually doing the 2-day FedEx shipping. So if you have not gotten debited to your account yet and you're still waiting on that, just sit tight, you will get it. And if your order still gives you the option to cancel, give that about a day or so. Once that goes away, give it a day, and then your device should get shipped out soon. Like I said, most of the time it's 2-day shipping with FedEx, depending on whether it's a Friday or the weekend and things like that. So just keep that in mind. 2-day shipping Some people were getting UPS used as their shipping, but here I believe in the States, it is going to be FedEx. That's what I got with mine. So it's just crazy that a lot of people still have not gotten their device. I feel like this phone has been out for a couple months already. It's been a little over a month, but a lot of the big time YouTubers already had gotten theirs way early, already did their full reviews and everything. So it feels like, I hope that the hype of this device does not go away by the time you guys get yours, because this is a fantastic device. If you're watching this video on your S22 Ultra, give it a thumbs up. Seriously, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. If you absolutely love your S22 Ultra, again, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. This is one of the best Samsung devices you could get right now, and I'm absolutely loving it. I'm planning on doing some more videos on this and spreading them out over the next several months. As far as comparisons go, I just finished my comparisons as far as cameras and displays with the V60 compared up against the S22 Ultra. So be sure to watch those on my channel. Maybe I'll leave a link down below, that way you can check those out. But yeah, I'm still planning on comparing this up against the Pixel 6, the S21 Fan Edition, which is what I'm using to record right now. Maybe the LG G8 over there. But yeah, I'm still planning on comparing this. And if I get the iPhone, if I get the OnePlus 10 Pro, I'm definitely going to be putting it up against the S22 Ultra. So hopefully you guys get your device soon if you haven't gotten yours yet. And hopefully if you have gotten yours, I really do hope you love this device. It's fantastic. So just want to give you a little update on shipping stuff and dates, and the fact that it sucks that a lot of people still have not gotten theirs. They have to wait till April, maybe even May, who knows. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate your time. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed, thumbs down if you didn't. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Come on, you got to subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.